Today I'm going to show you how to create videos through a template in Google Vids. So if you want to use a template to create a video, let's go ahead and create a new project. Over here you will see quite a few different options. What we're looking for over here is the template. So you can start with a beautifully designed template. It's a professional looking template. Now the first thing we want to do is start filtering out what type of templates we're looking for. So if we're looking for a different type of function over here, let's say we're looking for something that is related to marketing. Then we're having a look at a design style, let's say geometric. We're looking for a specific color. Let's say we're looking for pink, and then we're looking for a particular industry over here. So let's say software and technology, for example. Now, depending on which one you actually choose, you can go ahead and click on it. So right now I'm going to use this one. Over here, you can see every single scene. So this is the very first one, and then we have all of the rest of them. We can go ahead and you can either insert your selected scene or you can insert all of the scenes. Now, I would like to insert all of them. So the very first thing that you are now faced with is the video on your timeline, which is pretty much what a video editor will look like, pretty much any video editor. And every single element over here you can see on the main section, you can actually click on and you can edit. So we've got the ability to edit text over here. This is also text here. This is a video, which you can also then select. Now, of course, you need to remove these stock videos and put in your own images, your own videos, your own text, and so forth. But the idea is that all of this has been laid out for you. So let's just go ahead and push play and see what the introduction looks like. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And now every element that you click on, as I mentioned, you can change. And then if you come down over here to your timeline, you can click on every slide. You can change that. In between, you'll have your transitions. You can click on that, and on the right-hand side, you can change how they transition from one slide to the next. You can also go to the right-hand side. You can add a voiceover. You can generate images. You can upload more media of your own. And then you can also use their stock library, which means you can use all of their stock videos, images, music, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, and then Google Images. Right. So once you are done with all of that, you can go up to the top over here. You'll be able to click over here, and then you can download your video after it's complete.